Hey there, Anthony here from Sanding with our after. You'll see displayed on the video now the before. So before, these two were at our drawer front, the washer drilling station. We have this one is the actual washer, and this one is the pilot hole for the screws. So they're right beside each other. Before, as you can see in the picture, they weren't lined up exactly. So Lena had the idea to move this one back to make them exactly even, so we don't have to fiddle around trying to get this thing nice and flat and even. This will reduce defects, wasted motion, over processing, wasted potential. Thanks for watching.